Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You will start by preparing the apps and navigation. First, make sure your device supports split screen and note whether you use buttons or gestures. Open the app you want in the top or left half. Once done, open Recent Apps or use the gesture to show active apps. This gives you the list to pick from. Now locate the app card you opened, because the next step is to pin it into split mode using the overflow or long press action. Now you place the second app and adjust the layout. After triggering split screen on the first app, select the second app from Recent Apps or the home screen to occupy the other half. This is how you run two apps simultaneously. Once both are visible, drag the divider to resize, make 1/4 or half of the screen for focus, or slide closer to the edge for more space. Make sure notifications and keyboard behavior remain usable as you change sizes. To finish, interact and exit smoothly. You can swap apps by using the switch icon or long pressing an app bar. This lets you change which app gets priority. When done, drag the divider fully to the top or bottom to close split screen, or tap the close control. Make sure to save any work first. If split screen refuses to start, force stop one of the apps, clear its cache, or reboot your device. That single troubleshooting step fixes most permission.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.